Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make these awesome looking Italian BRAAIBROODJIES caprese. Stay tuned! It's time to grill! So we're gonna get started with cutting tomatoes. Slicing tomatoes is pretty easy if you have a good knife. This is my new Porsche design turbo knife that's really awesome. So, I was in South Africa. Most of you might have seen my videos from the National Bride Tour in South Africa together with some of my best barbecue friends. And there's something that happens regularly if you start braaiing with the people from South Africa, and this is BRAAIBROODJIES. BRAAIBROODJIES are one of my favorite side dishes when it comes to a bigger group of guests, and if you want to make something pretty easy, really delicious, and easy to make in a larger amount. So this is a basket. This basket is called Flip and Grate. You might have seen that in some of my other videos. You can do a lot of funny things with that. At least this one is perfect for the larger amount of BRAAIBROODJIES because there is enough space for 9. So once you put in your French toast here, we're gonna get oiled. It should be oiled with olive oil. I took a sprayer, olive oil sprayer from Borking. This is my favorite way of adding oil to a bigger surface. It's really easy to do, and it's pretty for the lazy guys. So for me. So once we have oiled them, we're gonna give them a flip, and then we're gonna add the tomatoes. So this is, as I mentioned, a side dish. I'm doing this all the time. When I was in South Africa, once we made a Greek version, so this is more the Italian version. After you have added the tomatoes, we need some seasoning. So today we are seasoning this with Terrano Meersalz, which is my favorite and my special salt mixture. I'm working together with Spice Bar. Most of you might know this. So this is basically dried tomato, oregano, olives, and of course salt. So next step is adding mozzarella cheese. So this is the fresh mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you like. For me, for the Italian style, this mozzarella cheese is really delicious. There are a lot of different kind of mozzarella cheese out there. You might have heard about scamorza, which is a smoked mozzarella cheese, or you use buffalo mozzarella cheese. Feel free to use the one you like. So that's it, almost. Of course, I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description as always. You can check it out there. You might find some more interesting stuff and links in there, so don't forget to check it out later. So once you're ready with the mozzarella, the almost final step is adding the bread on the other side, and this makes a really crispy sandwich later on with juicy inside and crispy outside. That's the goal we are aiming for. So press down gently, and then we need the oil sprayer again, and we're gonna oil the other side of the French toast as well. So only one more step to go. Take the other part of your flip and grate, and now close the basket. So basically now you can take it and grill it. There is a stand that comes with the flip and grate, which makes it pretty easy to grill this one on each height you want, and it's completely easy. You can just take it out of that, give it a turn, and put it backwards, so it's really easy. You can do it completely down, close enough to the coals. So this is basically also the last video with my Broil King Kek. So Broil King Kek, thanks a lot. We had a great time together. All my Instagram followers already know that I have new gear here in my garden, so if you haven't seen that before, you can check it out there. Must be online, I guess, about until this evening. You can check it out. Now make sure to grill this and not to burn it. It's can be done really fast. So these one are golden brown like I want. There are some darker as well. Be careful. So in the meantime we are cutting these. I would like to thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Of course we will using the braai again as soon as possible. I clean it up and it's ready to make some awesome videos. So I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment if you have been to South Africa ever and tell me what your favorite BRAAIBROODJIES is. We are seeing us again in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.